Are we live? Was that all? Oh, excuse me. Welcome back, guys, to another video on the channel. Today, this is live for the first time ever. I'm live on YouTube. Let me actually check, um, if I'm live real quick. Let me just, check real quick. Because this, stream may last long or may last short. Today we are doing some Python coding. I hope that this is one. Yeah, we're live, boys. We're live. So today we're gonna be doing some Python coding with PyDroid. PyDroid 3. PyDroid 3 can be bought on the Google Play Store, or you can go to Google and then search for a free APK. It's a Python IDE. I don't really know what the IDE means, but what IDEs essentially do is that they allow you to run Python code, uh, to run code on a particular device. In this case, PyDroid allows me to do it on Android. Oh, and if you're just tuning in this stream now, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another one. I will be also making streams every weekend, so if you wanna make me, if you wanna have me make more interesting streams like ROS, like the video games, then make sure to subscribe. Next week I'll have a live stream about those video games, since we're we're getting so close, guys. We're getting so close to summer vacation. It's just about more than 2 months away. So by summer vacation, you can expect that I will be doing a lot of live streams. So anyway, live streams every weekend. Let me actually create a new file so that I can actually start coding with something new. Yes, I do know how to code. Can I say I'm intermediate? Probably, because I already know how to make operators, and there's this thing which I made. I made a program. It's called Mopi. Um, what it's supposed to do is that it's supposed to you give it a first number, and then you give it a second number, and then what it does is that it will add those numbers together and tell you the sum. Uh, so that's what I tried to do. I experimented with operators. I could say that I'm getting closer to intermediate. Excuse me. I'm not a pro, so don't rely on me. So anyway, let's just create a new file for Python IDE number 2. Anyway, how you anyone tuning in? There's no one. And also, if you want to know how to live stream, basically, is that there? Yeah. If you want to know how to live stream, basically, I'm using DU Screen Recorder to live stream. Basically, I know that some of you will experience problems when you're first starting out, like the stream won't work and the problem has to be fixed, and then if you press a certain button, it will lead you to the YouTube website. It will log into it. You just have basically what you have to do is you basically have to go into the three dots, like this one, three dots like this one. You'll see something like that on the top right on of the YouTube website, and then basically, and then you tap that, and then you press desktop, and then what it will do, what you'll do is that from there you can actually go into the video manager. I'm assuming you already know where that is. um and then there, it's at that point where you can enable live streaming. Anyway, let's get into this. Anyway, if you're just tuning into the stream now, thank you guys for hopping in. uh I expect that no one is watching at this point. This stream is probably gonna go up. My last stream went up for like 45-30 minutes something. No one watched it. Absolutely no one watched it. Because I think mainly because I was on Twitch and YouTube, as I didn't know how to get my YouTube live streaming working. Anyway, so okay, what should we make now? Since if anyone's watching, you can give me suggestions on what to make, but I'm just gonna think of something first. Let's try to figure out how to fix Mopey, the guy which I was making last time off camera. The program which I tried to make last time. So, I don't have to let Mopey ask for your name. So, yeah, that's done. So, let's just assign our variable inputs. I like to call them variable inputs. If that's the wrong name, then I'm sorry. Variable, no, the thing that I should put is, what is the first first number, like first number, and then we do that. Then we go to the second line. No, then we assign another input. 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 And then what is the second number? And I'm also recording on 30 frames per second, 60 frames per I forgot to fix it up into 60 frames per second, because 30 frames per second in normal recording without live streaming seems to be the only way for me to avoid video corruption, because 60 frames per second turns out to, I believe it wastes a lot of CPU, so it takes a lot of CPU to handle it, and so that's why it gets corrupted. I think that's the reason. Anyway, we're still doing this. Let's just fix that real quick. Then the sum will be equal to number 1 plus number 2, and I'm about to show you the problem which I was facing. So it will say the sum is, and then we'll do that, and then we'll we'll make it print the variable out. And here's the problem. Here's something I think I found it ridiculous I think the first time I saw it. What is the first number? So first off, I'll put 1, and then what is the second number? 2. Watch this, watch this. Sum is 12. 1 plus 2 is 12. Get it? I don't know why that is. It's the sum. I don't know why that is. That's an ad. I can't figure it out though. I can't figure it out. This live stream has been going on for 10 minutes. I simply can't figure it out. I should have took a tutorial for this. Samples maybe. Well, actually, I think this will just give me stuff. Examples that show the basic feature. Actually, I'm gonna go to the basics. Hello world text input. I know how to do the text input. Simple math. Classic guess the number game. Actually, how about let's try these guys? How about let's try these examples? Shall we? Guess the number game. Let's run this. Welcome to guess the number game. Guess a number from 1 to 10. 9. Too high, your try. Too low. Too low, your try. Hold up. Hold up. Did I see what I saw there? Did I see what I saw there? So you can actually, okay, you can actually import stuff. That's good. Hold up. Let me just see how this is done. So, wild guess manager. Guess in, because all I know how to do is that excuse me. Basically, all I know when it comes to like assigning variables that have an input there, basically all I know is that all I know how to do is like if or else. That's all I know how to do. Basically how if works, if you type if and then you type if and then space and then the variable, and then you type is and then space and then the input, which is supposed to be there, and then you put this, you put what's this thing and whatever that's called, and then you type what command it should execute if that if the answer is there. If you wanna add a function to the program that gets executed when the answer is wrong, then you type in else and then you do the same thing. You put a command there. So I'm actually trying to figure this out, how this works. This is a learning experience also for me. And I hope this is also educational for you guys who are also new to Python. It was just many months ago. It's just about a dozen weeks ago probably when I first learned Python. Maybe less than a dozen, but I don't know. I know how hello world is. Text input, simple math. Functions, quadratic equation solver with complex numbers support. I'll open it up. I'll just see. Hold up. I'm beginning to notice something here. For different functions, maybe that's what I'm getting wrong. For different functions, you have this text here. You have this text here at the top at line 1. It says import CMath. You'll see that there in other programs. Uh, this could possibly mean that that it's not that my program is not working because I'm not doing such a thing. I'm not doing that import thing. Like maybe putting that thing at line 1 is maybe putting the import thing at line 1 uh will allow it to work. Possibly. I don't know. I don't. Let's just test this one out. Equation 1 to the power of x to the power of oh, okay. That's just a oh, okay. These ads I don't want to remove ads because you have to pay numpy pygame examples that show use of oh, there's a GUI library. Bouncing ball? What? That is beautiful, boy. Scope probably contains memory leaks, but boy, I love Pydroid. I love Pydroid. He did. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. I can't believe they did this. Is my microphone on? Is my microphone on? Let me check. I thought my microphone wasn't on there. Dude, this is sick. Excuse me. I didn't know you could do this because I saw GUI library. If I think GUI library has to do something with the textures. I don't know where they got the textures from, though. Maybe that's just something in the code that you have to do. Maybe you get it from a server or something. You know, you import it from, you know, those servers that you can do it with the import function. Yeah. Well, that's cool. I like that. Flappy Bird also it's not on the Google Play Store or on iOS, I think, because I think it has been considered in a huge form of addiction. Minecraft can get addicting too, but not but I don't think it's as addicting as Flappy Bird. You see that when you get through those pipes, it's satisfying. I guess it's that feel to continue moving, which gets did my yeah, I think that my device crashed. I can't exit out of the screen. Should I'll just restart Pydroid. Should that work? It will not. No, no, no. Yeah. 20 minutes, boy. 20 minutes. First YouTube live stream of the this is my first ever YouTube live stream I've ever made. This is incredible. Anyway, uh oh yeah, Pydroid. Excuse me. And also, I've also learned how to use keyframes on KineMaster. Um, that now keyframes. I guess you already know how to do that. You know. Oh, actually, no. These are praise to thee, O Lord, for all creation. Oh, where is that? I was looking for the Flappy Bird. Okay. I'll just run the examples. Just run the examples. That's all that the live stream will be about now. Samples, boy. How many things can we do with the GUI library, boy? Oh, okay. There's still two GUI library. I don't know how they import the textures there. Bouncing ball example that utilizes image loading and blitting. Pygame. Pygame Hello World. Hello? I said hello. Hello world. Okay, that's it. Oh, it loaded the text. Okay. Although I have to restart the app every time I'm done with those with those games. And sorry about that. That was even live. Anyway, if anyone's watching, welcome to the stream. By the way, this is almost we're getting close to 30 minutes, guys. This is gonna go about 45 minutes. We're gonna go. We're gonna take a big leap, guys. We're going for a full hour. If we can't make it, then that's a whole other story. NumPy Scientific Library. Excuse me. Um. I wouldn't wanna enable the GPS, of course. I don't want you guys to know where I live. Kyvie, hello world. Wait, Kyvie. I've heard that Kyvie is there's an app about Kyvie on Google Play. I think it's like a tutorial. Touch tracer. Simple example that draws lines using all the touch events detected by your hardware. Multi-stroke examples that lets you detect gestures and define your own. Pictures example that draws images and lets you drag them and scale with multi-touch. Showcase the example demonstrates all the possibilities of Kyvie toolkit. Another Kyvie showcase that lets you also edit the key. Okay, Kinker. T king kin tin simple calculator. A very simple calculator with text input and button usage. Oh, there's turtle. Oh, there's turtle. Wow. Sinu loves your Sinu loves your comment. Ha! You Sinu loves your comment. Blah blah. Oh. Thank you, Sinu. That is live, Sinu. If you're watching this, thank you, Sinu, for hearting my comment on how to clone, how to clone yourself. Uh, actually, Do I know Sinu? Yeah, I know Sinu. I know Sinu. I watched him or her, whoever, whatever gender. I'm not racist. From Tinker import. Oh, also you can actually import turtle. I'm so sad right now. I didn't know that. When you import turtle, it allows you to do a lot of things. A simple evil-based calculator, not for production usage. Oh, that's cute. I've always wanted to make these. Um, I love these calculators. They're just so simple. 3 plus 6 compute 9. That's very smart. Not for production usage. So don't reproduce this, guys. This is that's copyright. Anyway, simple evil based eval. So I said it like evil based calculator, not for production usage. So should I ask it what is pi? If pi is actually here, is that pi? Oh, if that's pi, then it probably can't. Oh, that's phi, right? That character. That that thing actually reminds me of the Russian letter. That's the Russian letter for F. Not Russian. Cyrillian. I don't really know how to pronounce it. Um. Oh, and yes, never mind. I don't wanna do it. Simple evil based calculator, not for production usage. That is cool. Very, very impressive. I'm impressed beyond the limit. And I'm also impressed with this app. PyDroid is legit. It's probably the best IDE for Android. Python IDE for Android. So you guys can, if you're new to Python and you wanna have a safe environment where you can learn and do all this, a bunch of amazing stuff, you can download PyDroid. Like I said at the very beginning of the stream, what did I say? Oh yeah, I said that it can be bought on the Google Play Store, or you can search it on Google, because on Google you can find free APKs for that, like a simple. So let's see how this works actually. Yeah, having to do this all the time, it just makes me worried, you know. Am I gonna lose my sanity having to reset the page every time? So that's cool. Oh, 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 oh. Uh-huh. Themes. Text editor. Oh, there's a text editor. Cool. Simple calculator. Folder. Method. Feature agglomeration. An example showing how the Skikit learn can be used to be first. I almost said the S word. Sorry. I did not say the S word. I did not say the S word. The simplest example in Matplotlib. Simply okay, so Okay, so let's just. Alright, because I didn't download the calculator file, I didn't get it on my file manager. Never mind. What were we? Tkinter. I don't know why that is. Simple calculator open. From Tkinter, import TK label button entry class. Oh, from, so you're basically, it's like you're from a certain from a certain point of software, you're importing the resources or the textures. That's smart. That's very, very smart. Self-title label sells this as a synonym. Self-title label pack is easy. Def on click self. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna learn how to use Tkinter in the future. This is already amazing. Wow, didn't know that it. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, more than 30 minutes. More than 30 minutes. We're heading for that 1 hour goal, ladies and gentlemen. And if anyone's watching, by the way, if anyone's watching, you can comment so that you can comment in the you can comment. Here you go. I'll say something real quick. Hello. Um so that's how I'll be talking to you guys in another way through chat. So you can go to chat and then type if you're on the stream. Anyone? I guess not. If no one's here, I don't really want to go for 2 hours. That would just be a stretch. Self-title level by def on click self-label. Wait, do they actually? Wait, I said it before. I got that wrong. There's no. Oh shoot. So they don't have turtle. They don't have turtle. Yep, they don't have turtle. Never mind. I don't think they have turtle. Cellular automata? Requires a permission plugin. I don't need that. The classic Hello World example drawn with the application that utilizes dialogues, toolbars, and the status bar thing. I wonder if I'm gonna run out of space once this is done. Oh, I'm gonna install the other libraries. Install. So I'm just gonna Riverbank Computing Limited. Oh no, it's Nokia. This file is part of the example. So Nokia helped. Wow, that's nice. Wow, that's smart. So this app can run applications. This app can run applications. That's cool. Also, in the very very future, like, um when like I'm old enough, if like I'm already grown up, I'm still gonna be doing YouTube, sure, definitely. And once that happens, excuse me, eh, I'll definitely be making facts about my life. You know, like, I mean, not necessarily personal stuff, but like where in general do I reside in, but I will not be pointing it out to a specific place. So in the future, oh shoot, I forgot. I was just thinking about that like a few months ago. I forgot about my wish to. Yeah, never mind. Next week, ladies and gentlemen, I have decided next week we're gonna do a Super Mario Bros. Speedrunning stream. And if that's not, if you wanna comment, if you wanna say in chat right now, you can say in chat right now. Say if that's a good idea or not. If it's not a good idea, if it's not a good idea, you can say it also. You can either say it now if you're watching, or you can go into my future videos between this week and the next weekend. You can comment on in the comment section there, and then you can give me feedback on this. So yeah, you're actually importing a lot of. There are a lot of textures already imported here, like this. You have the menu, and then you have the toolbar. Then you can also you also have the sizes of the textures. I think it can get very very complicated very quickly. Uh there's a version of Minecraft that I know that was recoded with Python, that was, I think, made by Mojang or Raspberry. That's Minecraft Pi. Minecraft Pi is available for free on the Mojang Minecraft website. You can download Minecraft, and that is actually coded with Python code. Um, and to be honest, based on what I've seen, it's not really that different, except for lag and stuff. But and also smooth lighting doesn't seem to be there, but yeah, it still looks like Minecraft. And I think it also has a small window, which actually makes it look even more classic. It for some reason, 90s stuff, 90 things that applications that look like they're from the 90s and are loaded with small windows on your computer, which can be dragged around. That sort of gives me like a nostalgia feel. Of course, I wasn't there in the 90s, but it's this sort of feel like I'm there, and then I have my Windows 95, and then I'm doing all sorts of things which most people couldn't even understand back in the day, especially at the dawn of home computer popularity. And computers have just grown even more popular today, of course, because of the advancements that have been made. Like, there are a lot of video games that have been made for uh for computers, and also the mobile devices. And also, I'd like to correct something up. Mobile devices are also computers. The first thing I noticed, which people think of when they hear computer, is the desktop computer. But anything that a computer can do, anything that a computer can do, if another thing can do anything that a computer can do, then it is a computer. Does that make sense? I That's the general idea. So I would like to correct something, that mobile devices are also computers. Are we good? Okay, thank you. That was so. I think that was so. That was so. Anyway, back to this. I can't figure this out. This is literally. It's almost 10. It's almost 10 a.m. And I almost forgot my weekend live streaming promise, by the way. I just woke up like just about more than 1 hour ago, and I forgot that I should have been doing a live stream. Then I just did this. Anyway, it's Saturday in Asia. So Southeast Asia. That's the first clue that I'm ever gonna give. I'm from Southeast Asia. Okay? Are we good? Are we good with that? That's the first thing I'm ever gonna say, and it's even live. Are we good with that? Thank you. Has this been going on for? Oh boy, oh my gosh. I'll get a drink. I'll be right back. Okay, boy. So I'm back. Yeah. Should that be it? I think I should end off the stream now. Thank you guys for watching this stream, if you are. And of course, thank you for Sinu, who uh who who gave a heart on my comment in his or her video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a fantastic Saturday, Sunday, whatever your country time is, wherever you are. I know you can do anything which you want to do. So believe in yourself. That is probably the most inspirational thing I have ever said in a long time, in a millennia. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you all guys next time in the next live stream or video. Shoot.